Have you ever wondered how quiz channels create these colorful, spiral backgrounds that make their videos look professional? The good news is you can create them in seconds using ChatGPT AI. Simply open ChatGPT and enter a prompt like this: flat vector spiral sunburst background, smooth twisted radial rays, bright yellow, orange, and golden colors, clean geometric vector design, large empty space for quiz questions and answers, no text, no logos, professional YouTube quiz channel background, 16:9 aspect ratio. Once you submit the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a unique background for you. Want different colors? Just ask for blue and cyan, purple and pink, or green and yellow. Want more space for questions? Tell ChatGPT to move the spiral center to the left. You can keep refining the design until it looks exactly the way you want. And just like that, you've created a professional quiz background without any graphic design skills. Follow for more AI tips and YouTube tutorials.